In this lesson, you're learning how to use PowerPoint for your assignment, and it's similar to Microsoft Word in that you're inserting pictures. So the same format for that. This is based on a slideshow, and the idea is that you have limited text, so not a lot of sentences, and you have some graphics or pictures in it to highlight what you're saying. So the first slide is already here. I'm just going to type in the title. So I'm going to say self-esteem is my title. And I might want to make it larger. Same as in Microsoft Word. I can go here. I can increase the size. Let's say 88. I want to make the title, I want to give it color. So I might do brown. And I can also outline the text box. I can make the text box smaller. Just drag it, same with Microsoft Word, and I can put an outline around it. So I might put a green outline, and I can do again a weighted outline that's a bit heavier. So self-esteem, and then here I might put a picture, or I might put words. So I might say overcoming self-esteem problems. And just leave it like that, and maybe just put an outline around here. Do maybe yellow, and then just give it a thick. So I could do something like that, and you can move these around. As you can see, you can stretch them out. I might want to make that a little larger, so let's make it a 48. So that might be my first page. And to add a second slide, I just go new slide, and I can choose one. So I could go here. And again, same thing. So fashion and self-esteem. And I can center it. Again, I can do all the same things. I can bold it. I can give it color. I could make it larger. I could use a different font. I could use something fancy like that. And then I would add in here some text. Again, not a lot. I'd put maybe 4 sentences. I'd borrow some information. I do some research on the internet. And then I might put a picture here. So when you put a picture in, same as Microsoft Word, insert pictures, and I'm just going to use the same picture that we used before, and insert. Again, you can size it now, so I can make it bigger. I can move it around. I can put a border around it like we were doing. So if you want to put the border around, you go back and shape fill, shape outline, and you can do the shape effects here as well. Okay, so there's lots of things you can do. The other thing that you might, so every time you want to add a new slide, just go here and click. The other thing that you might want to look at is animations. They're a little trickier, but if you want to play around, they're not necessary, but if you want to play around with them. Animations just is how it comes into the slide. So if I want to animate this box, I would highlight the box, so I click on it, and then I go fly in, perhaps. I'll show you what it looks like after. And then I might do this one, and I might do wipe, and this one I might do fade. So if you want to see your slideshow, you just go slideshow, and we could go from beginning. I didn't put animation on the first part, but this should come in now if I click. There, it slides in, that comes in, and end. I missed one of these because there wasn't anything in the text box. So it's really playing around with some of the features. And you're not, I think we've said maybe 9 slides, so it's not a lot of slides. So you can play around with some of the, and you can go online. There are a lot of videos online on how to use PowerPoint as well. Okay, so enjoy, play around with it and have fun.